So this is how to fix vein issue. Make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now you need to make sure that you have the CPU and memory under 100%. To do that, you must scroll through all these processes and you need to terminate any suspicious or useless one. Next, go to the search bar and type in Steam. If you do find it running, make sure to right click and select End Task. For the next step, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Make sure to open that. Once this window pop up, go to Display Adapters. After that, go to your graphics card, right click and select Update Driver. Now select Search Automatically for Drivers and click on Close. For the next step, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to Settings. From here, you need to go to Windows Update, select it. After that, you need to select Download and Install All. Make sure to download all the latest updates. Once done, you can close this. For the next step, go relaunch the Steam Launcher again and then go to Library and select Collections. After that, look for your game in the left menu. If you do find it, select it. Now click on this gear icon and click on Properties. Type in -dx11 or 12. After that, select Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish so it can verify and recover any corrupted files. Now you can close all of this, restart your computer and relaunch the game and see if the issue is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.